Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and network parity. On the TV, open Settings and enable AirPlay. Make sure firmware is current so protocols match. On your iPhone or iPad, connect to the exact same Wi-Fi network as the TV and keep Bluetooth enabled for discovery. Once done, unlock the device and prepare the content you want to mirror or stream. This avoids connection mismatches and saves time when you initiate the actual AirPlay session. Next, initiate the connection from the device. Open the Video, Photo, or Control Center for screen mirroring, tap the AirPlay icon and choose your Insignia TV. If the TV shows a pairing code, type it into your iPhone or iPad to authenticate. If a prompt appears on the TV, approve it with the remote. Make sure to watch for on-screen confirmation. If streaming fails immediately, stop playback and retry. Sometimes the app needs a fresh handshake to negotiate. To finish, control playback from your iPhone or iPad. Use the TV remote for volume. When you're done, stop AirPlay in Control Center or disconnect in the app. If you see no picture, confirm the TV input is on AirPlay and the device isn't muted. For performance problems, try switching both devices to the 5 GHz band or rebooting them and the router. If problems persist, update the TV firmware and iOS, then repair to clear lingering handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.